Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is this is another bug report. Unfortunately, this bug report is for openshot. I just installed it. Let's see if I can find. Nope. Openshot. Alright, so this is February 5, 2012. I just installed it using the PPA, which is download. Alright, so I use the PPA, and when I try to run it, I get this error. And it's already this third time I've got this. So right at the beginning, it says that I get a floating point exception error, and it has trouble. Yeah, right here. So yeah, it's dependable. I've got that error many times. There's the second time, and there's the first time. So openshot 1.42 fails on open, crashes on open. Please help. Thank you, and happy computing.